Let's make Japanese-style bitter melon fried egg. It's simple, tasty, and nutritious. For the bitter melon, after washed, cut it into half. Scoop out the seeds and pulp. Then cut the melon into thin slices. Season with some salt to lighten the bitter taste. After about 15 minutes, rinse the melon. The ingredients are really simple: bitter melon, eggs, Bonito flakes, and Bonito sauce. Okay, let's get started. Heat up the pan and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Stir-fry the bitter melon slices for a while. Then add diluted Bonito sauce. The sauce to water ratio is 1:1. Stir-fry until the sauce nearly dries up. Add some oil, then add beaten egg. Fry the egg over medium heat. Fry until slightly brown. It's done. So simple and easy. Sprinkle some Bonito flakes on top. Can you see the Bonito flakes are dancing? Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.